Horses out for the 2011 Pilracom Commissioner's Cup. We have Tiger Moon breaks quickly at the start, moving up on the outs. Now is Shining Fame together with well in the middle. Then two lengths in Port Carriedo. Go Army alongside Pipa. Thought his best is down in 6 right here right now. Yes, Poggy second last and going along for the first time. We've got well down on the inside is Tiger Moon. 4 lengths away in third, Shining Fame. Thought his best down on the inside port. Then comes Carriedo right here, right now. Go Army, yes, Poggy. And Bonnie's Gem trails the field by about 14 to 15 lengths up the pace. Into the turn they gallop. Tiger Moon and well, now takes the lead by Oralenka. Tiger Moon drives back in second. 5 lengths away in third, moving up, thought his best. Then followed over by well, moving up, Go Army, or other Carriedo, Shining Fame, Go Army, yes, Poggy. Now trying to make up, and Bonnie's Gem still racing in last. Meanwhile, we have well, by about 3 lengths. Tiger Moon still in second, and here comes Tori's Best right here, right now, also moving up. Then comes Carriedo, then here comes, yes, Poggy. Go Army, Shining Fame, and Bonnie's Gem. Well, followed by moving up right here, right now. Is it a plane? Is it a bird? No, it's yes, Poggy. Now moving up on the outside to take the lead. Yes, Poggy now by about 2 lengths. Right here, right now. Well. Yes, Poggy now strides away by about 3 lengths. And in second is well, right here, right now. Then comes Tori's Best. Last 75 meters. Is small, white, handsome. It's yes, Poggy. Second, right here, right now. Well. Then comes Tori's Best, Carriedo, Tiger Moon, Go Army, Bonnie's Gem, and Shining Fame.
Super itong kabayo to.
Kampiyon ang tinakbo talaga.